What's up, builders? Welcome back. Today, I want to share my experiences on how I became a full-time software engineer in the US. For those who don't know me, hey, I'm Yan Chen. I've been a software engineer for more than 5 years now, and prior to that, I was an international student from Taiwan. In this channel, I love to talk about tech. That includes in-depth technical tutorials, such as how to use certain AWS features, or just my experiences living in the US as a software engineer. The goal of this channel is to share my passion about technology, and hopefully, together, we can use it to make this world a better place. But first, let's roll the intro. To talk about how I got into this industry, we need to go back to the year 2014. Back then, I was an international student studying computer science in California. And since I used to major in electrical engineering back in Taiwan, I didn't really have that much real industry experience when it comes to applying for a 2014 summer internship. So I ended up putting many of my personal GitHub projects that I did for fun on my resume. Fortunately, I was able to pass the phone screen and got an offer to intern on Amazon's Silk team. But little did I know, my internship experience was going to be totally different from the other Amazon interns that I'm aware of. So normally as an intern, you'll get assigned a mentor who is usually an engineer on the same team. In addition, you would choose from a set of pre-selected projects that your team roughly knows technically how it can be done and how long it's going to take. Because, as an intern, your internship usually lasts about 2 to 3 months. Mine was nothing like that. Instead, my manager said, well, we have a few projects, but what are you interested in? And as a responsible 2014 CS student, I was obligated to say machine learning. So I ended up reporting to the same manager, but working on a different team, which, to be fair, did do more machine learning. The not so good part was the team that I actually worked with didn't expect to get a new intern, so I didn't have a project. I later spent the next few weeks defining what I was going to do, the milestones, and my own guesstimate on how this project could be done. And to make it even more complex, there was no existing data set for the problem I wanted to solve. So I needed to handle the most dreaded, I think, portion of a machine learning project: data collection and cleaning. It ended up taking about a month, which left me a few weeks to train the models and prepare for my final presentation. And wow, this is even a bit stressful now that I'm just remembering it. Well, have you interned before? What was the experience like? Drop a comment below to share with everyone. Overall, I would say that my internship at Amazon was relatively more stressful compared to others who interned around the same time. But the way I handled it was probably the reason why I got a return offer to join full-time after graduation. Specifically, throughout my internship, I took initiative to solve problems instead of waiting on others to tell me what to do. For example, in order to generate the data set I wanted, I needed to understand the schema of data transmitted. Unfortunately, the team that was responsible for that piece of infrastructure, you guessed it, was located in another state. So I reached out to them directly instead of asking for my mentor's help. Secondly, I always came in fully prepared for each one-on-one with my manager. Yeah, right, the one I didn't actually work with. Each week, I came into the meeting with a list of concise updates and the things that I plan on doing next. I think those two factors, combined with how I deliver the project, were the reasons why I got a return offer. As for the rest, after graduate school, I joined Amazon full-time, and after 5 years, here I am. Thanks for watching. I post a new video weekly, so if you find today's content helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have a good one, builders. 我们下次见。